Welcome to Naija Infusion. Let me show you how to prepare this upgraded white rice. So to get started, add a little bit of butter in a pan, then minced garlic and minced ginger. Then next you want to add chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, chopped parsley, curry powder, bay leaf and fresh thyme. All goes into the pan, and then you just want to mix everything up to incorporate just to blend the flavors together. Just give it a good mix. Then you wash your rice. My rice was about one less than a kg. So I put the rice into washed rice, then I added a little bit of salt for taste. And next what I did was give it a good mix. The ratio for cooking rice is 2-to-1. That means you have 500 grams to 1 liter of water, but I would ask you to be discretionary when you're adding water. I went in and added all water. Always use hot water to cook your rice. Don't start with cold water, okay? And then you just want to make sure that the water you added covers the rice. Give it a good stir. My pot is non-stick, so it's really good. It's a good quality pot. Then next I placed the lid on and just left it to cook, and I came back and did a taste to see if the rice was done, which is just take a fork and then press it to see if the rice breaks off. That means your rice is done. If you want it more softer, add a bit more water. It's entirely up to you. So my rice was cooked and I served with this lovely stew. Thank you so much for watching, and leave a recommendation below.